Hi, I'm Renée Sferrazza.
Hi, I'm Michael Fagan. You know, Veneto has beautiful landscapes, fine food, and delicious wines. And it's also home to Italy's largest lake between the Dolomite Mountains.
I think I could guess what that lake is, Michael. I believe it's Lake Garda, and on its southeastern shores lies the town of Bardolino. Bardolino is a wonderful region that also makes wines under Bardolino and Bardolino Superiore DOC.
That's right, Renee. Bardolino is made from the same grapes as its neighboring Valpolicella, but they are very different wines.
You're so right, Michael, and that has a lot to do with the way the grapes are grown in Bardolino. Bardolino has less corvina overall, which adds body and structure to wines, and more rondinella, which is more of a neutral flavor profile overall.
Bardolino is a very popular wine in the resort area around Lake Garda, where tourists you'll find sipping it back on sunny afternoons, enjoying the sights and sounds.
Michael, I can picture myself there right now, and today we are sipping on the Pieve San Vito Bardolino Classico DOP production by Tinazzi Tenute Valleselle estate. Tinazzi has 12 hectares within the beautiful, magnificent mountains that surround Lake Garda, and they purchased the property in 1986.
The wine is a blend of 70% Corvina, 20% Molinara, and 10% Rondinella. Generally speaking, Bardolino Classico is a little fuller than the standard Bardolino.
And this wine is really showcasing that in the glass. It has a little bit of a lighter toned color to it, but it has layers of aromas. Lots of berry notes in here, touches of pepper, and if you take a sip, you'll be really enjoying the refreshingness that Bardolino can give. This is also a wine that you can serve with a little bit of a chill on it, and it really brings a different perspective to the glass.
You're so right, Renee. And you know, this wine is a perfect style for grilled white meats, grilled sausages, or even Friday night pizza. And it's ideal for sunny afternoons.
I am going to be sipping this wine outside in a moment. I can feel it. But please join us as we dive into more of Veneto's wine regions with Prosecco, Valpolicella Ripasso, and Lisson Prameggiore.
Cheers!
Salute!